Hey, I'm doing a video review on a product I just got because I thought it was really cool, and I just shared this. I bought this at Lowe's. It's called the Legrand adjustable nightlight, and it's 15 bucks. Here's the top of the box if that'll help you find it, or UPC. Man, what a cool thing this is. I had a problem. The problem was we had an old wall heater in this wall. For 10 years it didn't work. The motor blew out. The parts are unavailable. And I didn't like it anyway. I just thought it was stupid. So I patched up the wall, and I put a regular outlet there. But I didn't like it because it's right next to our toilet, and I thought, okay, it's not really safe to have a live outlet so close to water. Probably it wouldn't, the water would never get that high, but you might, I don't know, splash or something and, cause a problem. So I was at Lowe's and I saw this and I thought, wow, this is really perfect. Having a nightlight right near the toilet, it'll look like it was meant to be there. And I just want to show it to you. It has 5 settings. Okay, it's like you have a choice of putting a louver on here, which comes in the box. I chose not to use it, and I think it looks better without it, actually. And I don't want the lights directed up or down. I just kind of want it, general. But so I'm taking this video. I'm going to show you. This is the louver that you put over it and direct the light in a certain direction. But I just kind of like it, like how it is. It comes with 5 settings: off, ultra low, which is on now. Then you have low, medium, and high. And this is really great. It auto turns on when it gets dark in the room, which is why it's staying on now. If it was lighter in the room, it would shut off, which is fantastic. I'll show you. Take about 3 seconds and it'll turn off. Isn't that something? Okay, so it detects when it's dark in the room. So let's say at nighttime you've got to use the restroom. Let's make it a little darker in here. And you don't want to turn on the lights because, you just woke up and you're groggy and, I don't know, you just don't want to have bright lights on. Maybe you're drunk. This is just enough light. That's just all you need. So it's perfect. So I think it's fantastic. And the other thing that's great about it, at least in my situation, is that it gave me a way to get rid of these live electrical wires in a wall in a really attractive and useful way, without, having to take the whole electrical line out or tie them off inside with a junction box, or have an unsafe outlet, in a place where I really didn't want it. So, if you have an outlet somewhere, live wires in your wall, and you're trying to figure out, what should I do with this? I don't need these wires here, and it's not a good place for an outlet. Like, this really wasn't a good place for an outlet for me. You might want to get one of these, and even if you don't need a nightlight, you can just keep it off, and it looks like it's supposed to be there. So anytime you do need it, you can just press it on. So anyway, I highly recommend this. I think it's a great product. We call it the poop light here. That's the nickname we came up with it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and peace.